Welcome to Ask Chef Gilles part 19. Today we will talk about cooking competitions. In November we will have the Sial Interfood in Jakarta with La Cuisine competition from 9 to 12 of November. So now it's time to prepare. So in La Cuisine competition we have over 20 categories you can choose from. Okay, when you already choose the category where you want to compete in, you need to read the rule book. The rule book is something that they will send to you by mail, and then you need to read it properly. There will be requirements for each category. There's things you can do and you cannot do, and also it will be a scoring system for that category. Usually when judges taste the food, then you have more points on taste. It's usually 50%, 50 out of 100 points will come from taste. And then you have things like presentation and hygiene and technical that will give some points as well. But if it's a display, biggest points be given to the presentation, and then the other points will be smaller, like the technique and how it's prepared. So be very careful, read to the book properly, otherwise you won't be able to perform. Thank you.